To create an automated trading robot, first you must click here. You must go to tools. As you can see, open your MT5. You can see I'm on demo. You click here. After clicking here on tools, you must go to meter codes language, okay, or you can just press F4 on your computer. Then let me click here so that I can show you. After clicking, you can see it's loading now. I've opened here. So to start your own, you must press here file, click new. Here you can see expect advisor. You must select this one, and then next. Here they need your name, the name that will be your robot name. You can just write my name, Ronald, okay, and then this one you can avoid for now, but you can see you can also write author here for copyright and stuff. You can still write my name, yeah, and then website if you have, then next, okay. So you can just leave these ones, no need to click them. Next, still, finish. Yeah, so now this is your template for the robot, okay. This is what you need. So I will explain one by one what happens. So as you remember, these ones are the copyrights, which are my name, you can check here, the website, the vision. Don't touch these ones. You can see even my names here. And then here we are going to have 3 functions. We call these functions. I will explain them later, but you must just understand that these are the 3 functions, you see. So let me explain these functions for you. First, this one is on it, okay. Whatever that I will write here will appear when the robot starts, okay. Here is the beginning of the robot. When you plug your robot, when your robot goes on, whatever that will be written here will be executed, okay. So this one is on the exit. When the robot is switched off, this is what will be executed. Whatever that we type here will be executed. The most important one here is this one. You can delete these other ones. They are not too much important, especially these ones, but I will show you how to use them somewhere. They are useful, but not that much. The most important one is this function. Your robot cannot run without this function on tick, okay. So this on tick functions helps you to read the charts on every tick. Whenever the market is moving, this function will be executed. So the codes will be written here, okay. You see I've deleted those ones. You can bring them back by just doing undo, edit, undo, edit, undo. You will see them coming back, all of them. You see they came back. As I was saying, that these ones are your copyright and stuff. And then here we have a compile, okay. So I'll tell you what this compile does. This thing helps you to check if your robot will work, okay, and then the result will come down here. Let me extend it, okay. The results will come out here. So let me execute this robot. It's a robot now already. Let me execute. You can see no errors, no nothing, okay. And the most important thing, as a beginner, you must know that you don't have to just put anything here. You must be careful with your codes. For example, you can see after compiling, everything is well, no error, no warnings, okay. We don't actually care about warnings except if they are very serious, but we only care about errors. If I can put something here inside this code, anything like, okay, let me just put some comma so that you can see. You can see I've placed comma here. Let me compile. You see I find errors here, okay. I find errors. Why? Because the codes must be clean. This thing must be clean. You don't just put anything here. I'm going to teach you step by step what to put, what not to put, what to do, okay. So I have removed my mistake here. Compile. It's good. Code generated. This compile helps the computer to read your codes. When you compile, these codes are interpreted for the computer language. Remember, computer don't read these things like this whatever that we write here must be changed into the computer language. So the compile helps us to do just that. Okay, so on the next video we'll proceed. On this one I'm done with the functions. Please subscribe so that I get the energy to keep on doing this, because if you don't subscribe, guys, I'll see no use and I'll just leave it along the way without even doing anything. So subscribe, guys, share with others. We are going to create a robot here from scratch. Even if you don't have any programming experience, anything, you are on a good channel here. I'm going to take you step by step. As I've also taught myself, I'm going to teach you how to do this thing very well. Remember the use of the functions. We have that one, it's not here, but we will bring it back. This one, we have this one. Whenever the robot is plugged, it will execute whatever that we are going to put here, and then when the robot is unplugged, we'll execute everything that we put here. On every tick, as you can see, it's written on tick. On every tick, when the market is live, everything that will write here will be read from the market. The market will execute this, whatever that will put inside, on every tick. Okay, don't mind about these names, they're always there, as I've showed you where to do. You can just press new whatever, follow the steps here. Thank you, guys. We'll see you on the next video. Please subscribe.